At the fall of Hanan Malik's weight, Abdul Samad, he is also very young, just playing his 4th match. Part a wide gully. Oh, and that's into the gap. Samad believes in playing his strokes very well. That would really gladden. And Abdul Samad looks to be a man in a hurry. What a cracking shot that was. Once again, this time, this is right, another action replay, another boundary. Abdul Samad, he is playing without any fear and looks very, very display of stroke play. Yeah, and yet again. So Abdul Samad, I think Ashish Kumar would be running out of ideas.
Defense. But this time he's punitive. Short arm pull and sends the ball whistling past to the same spot where the water is there. And on a batting front. And this time the brute force I was talking to you about. There goes the ball flying over the ropes for a huge, humongous 6 there. Very good connect. Half.
अब ये देखना होगा कि ये वही शॉट है या रिप्ले है. दूसरा छक्का लगातार. समाद इस बार गेंद थोड़ी हवा में है, लेकिन गैप में कोई फील्डर मौजूद नहीं है. बाउंड्री आ जाएगी. महंगा ओवर आता हुआ.
Additional 2 slips now in place. Oh, and he's taken him on. Has he middled it? Yes, he has. And he is batting. It does seem that he is on a different palette altogether. Abdul Samad, 50 up of just 35 balls. And the Jammu and Kashmir dressing room, they are all so happy, and why would they not be? With Jharkhand skipper would be worried, and why would he not be if the ball keeps on flying to different parts of the ground in this fashion? Abdul Samad is really taking the bowlers on. For the Jharkhand skipper, it's become a headache as to where to place his fielders. Once again goes aerial. Samad, and once again clears the rope as well. Yet another 6. But he's already on 70. The moment he sees a bit of air, as Manoj mentioned, he is hit into a flash. What eye-hand coordination from this young man. He's once again, this is second on the trot. So we are seeing some exhilarating batting from this 18-year-old.
फैशन ही चल रहा है. ये गेंद हवा में, यहां पर खतरा हो सकता है. तो खतरा तो तब होगा जब फील्डर के पास जाएगी. हालांकि बिल्कुल बीचों बीच नहीं आई. तीसरा छक्का इस ओवर में. ये इस ओवर में वो पूरी कर देंगे. गैप में गई है बाउंड्री और ये इक्वल कर दिया स्कोर. पूरा लुत्फ उठा रहे हैं. 6 की औसत से रन बन रहे हैं.
3 sixes and a 4. And once again he goes up. Almost parallel, but still goes for a 6. So this is, hitting at its very best.
Formation. ये लीजिए, उठाकर खेल दिया बिल्कुल वीरेंद्र सहवाग के अंदाज में. और 3 रन पीछे थे 100 के, और ये हुआ उनका दूसरा शतक. बैक टू बैक 100. बहुत ही सुंदर शॉट. कदमों का इस्तेमाल, हाफ वॉली पर उठाया गेंद को, और बिल्कुल निडर होकर, बेखौफ होकर जिस अंदाज से उन्होंने अपना ये शतक पूरा किया, सराहनीय है.
What an extraordinary innings from the 18-year-old Abdul Samad. And I'm sure he will remember this for a long, long time.
3 फिगर मार्क पे आते हैं. और लीजिए, गेंद को थोड़ा हवा में उठा दिया, लेकिन गेंद सीधे बाउंड्री के बाहर. आधे रास्ता हवाई और आधे रास्ता जमीनी.
Well, once again steps out, and what clean hitting this is. Yet another 6. And if Abdul Samad continues in this fashion, then Jharkhand could be in real trouble.
नाक में दम कर रखा है उन्होंने गेंदबाजों के. ओ, थोड़ी सी हवा में जरूर थी. गेंद को शायद ऑन साइड में खेलना चाहते थे, लेकिन थोड़ा सा बल्ले के बाहरी और लगते हुए गेंद पहुंची लॉन्ग ऑफ की तरफ 4 रन के लिए। खैर
Oh, he's taken the aerial route right below us here, straight to the side screen. And Abdul Samad continues to entertain Prem.
welcome that he received by the team members while he returned at lunch, and this time he once again focuses on that lofted shot in the air for a long time, and the fielder got it. Did he? Yes. Almost on the fence, and that was none other than the captain of the side. He's so happy, elated. Goodness me, how happy is he? Oh, he's got the